Welcome to Video Digest by Priti Shah. Today we are going to talk about axis intercepts. We are going to draw a line with the given intercepts, and then we are going to find the gradient of the line. So let's get started with the first example. Here, draw a line with x-intercept 3 and y-intercept -2. Find the gradient of the line. Now, first of all, we will remember our basics that we had gone through. Let's go through that again. Suppose this is a line, which is the y-axis. Okay. Shift. This is the y-axis. And we'll draw one more line, which is the x-axis right over here. Okay. Now, let's write the coordinates, x and y. Let's name it. Okay. And now, starting with the 0, in the center, x-intercept is 3. So, I'll go till 4, -1, -2. And y-intercept is -2. So here we'll write -1, -2, -3, and here goes 1, 2, and 3. Now, what we had discussed before, that if the x-intercept is 3, means it is going to cut the line at 3 on the x-axis, which is over here, and y-intercept is -2. So on y-axis, we'll go to -2 and put a okay. So x-intercept is 3. So we put a dot at 3. And y-intercept is -2. So we put a dot at -2. And now we will draw a line, which will be passing through these 2 points like this. Okay. Fine. Now, okay. So now we have to find the gradient of this line. Now, the gradient of the line, first of all, we'll write the points for the line so that we can write the gradient later on. First, let's write the points on the line. Okay. So let's write it down. The points are the point. Okay. The points are, see now this is 3. X is 3 and y is 0. This is the first point. And the next is y-intercept is -2. So x is 0 and y is -2. It's always x comma y. Okay. Now we want to find the gradient of this line. So what will be the gradient of this line? So let's write down here gradient. Okay. So what is y? First take y. It's -2. So write -2. What is x? Write that below that. 3. And now change the sign. So change the sign means negative becomes positive. So the gradient of this line will be 2 divided by 3. Okay. Now let's go to the second one. Draw a line x-intercept 5 and y-intercept 3. So without, just draw the 2 lines, x and y. Okay. This is x. And now let's draw another line, which is y. Sorry, x. Okay. And now let's write this is y. This is x. Okay. Now x-intercept is 5. So starting here is 0. Let's write down this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Y-intercept is 3. So let's write here 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't take negative values because we are going to x-intercept and y-intercept. And now let's point the intercepts. So first is x-intercept is 5. So let's point it at 5 on the x-axis because x-intercept is 5, which is right over here. And y-intercept is 3. So on y, we go to 3, which is over here. And now we draw a line which will connect these 2 points. Okay, let's draw that line. Perfect. Now I draw a line. Of course, it should be a line. So I'm going to draw the line and I'm going to, this is a line. Okay. And now we will write the coordinates. So now x-intercept is 5. So it is 5 followed by a 0. Y-intercept is 3. So it is 0 followed by 3 because x is followed by y. And now let's see what is the gradient of this line. Now write the y first. As I told you, y is what? 3. Then write the x. What is x-intercept? 5. And now since both are positive, flip the sign. So it will be negative. So this is the gradient, negative 3 upon 5. Okay. Now let's see the last sum over here, which is draw a line, x-intercept negative 3 and y-intercept is negative 2. Both are negative. Let's draw the lines first. So let's draw the y-axis, y. Then let's draw the x1. Okay. Fine. Now let's write the coordinates. Sorry, let's draw the lines first. This goes here. Okay. Now this is 0, 1, 2. We want to go to negative 3. And in the y-axis, it is negative 2. And now we draw the line. We first point it. Where is the point? Let's see the points first. The points are negative 3 on the x, which is over here. Negative 2 on the y, which is over here. Let's join the dots with a line. Okay. And since it is a line, I'm going to draw the line as a line. Okay. The values over here that we will write here is x comma y. So first is negative 3 comma 0 and 0 comma negative 2. And here we want to write the gradient. Now first write the y. What is y? Y is negative 2. Then followed by x. X is negative 3. Okay. So actually it is 2 upon 3. But we will flip the sign, which will become negative 2 upon 3. This is the gradient. I hope you understood that. Thank you.